Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to upload videos to Vimeo. First of all, open up your preferred browser and search for vimeo.com. Once you are on the home page of Vimeo, make sure you are logged into your account. After that, click on New Video option at the top right of your screen and you will be redirected to this type of page. Here, you can choose files that you want to upload and also choose in which folder you want to upload your video. By default, library is selected, but you can change it according to your preference. Now, click on Choose File option and select the video you want to upload on Vimeo. You can select video from your desktop, downloads, or from any folder. So simply select the video and you will be sent to this page. It will take some time to upload your video, but once it is uploaded, you will find it in your Vimeo library. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.